animal crackers and cocoa to drink. That's the finest of suppers, I think. When I grow up and can have what I please, I think I shall always insist upon these. What do you choose when you're offered a treat? When Mother says, what do you like best to eat? It's cocoa and animals that I love the most.
Animalia. Animalia.
Yes, Mama.
Animalia, it's time for your dinner.
Yes, Mama, but my friends and I are having animal crackers and cocoa to drink.
Animalia, you have got animals on the brain. Maybe it's time for you to broaden your horizons. The world is full of wonderful things to explore. There's science, geography, music, literature, even poetry. For heaven's sakes, enough with the animals.
Yes, Mama, but...
No arguments, Animalia. Now decide what you want for dinner, and while you're at it, clean up this menagerie.
Sometimes moms just don't understand. All right, animals, places, please.
Perhaps your mother would like us more if she realized how educational we can be. For instance, I'm a crocodile whose ancestors live in the days of the dinosaurs. My people are found at the banks of the Nile. And my great, 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 great uncle learned to smile from Cleopatra.
Well, to check out those facts, we need an atlas, a zoology book, and a lie detector kit.
But no kidding, animals are found worldwide. We come in all different shapes and sizes.
We exist in the past, present, cross your fingers, future. Still we have music, literature, poetry. How we deal with those areas.
More to the point, Animalia, what are you going to have for dinner?
I could have fried chicken, roast lamb.
How could you?
I've got it. I'll have soup, tomato soup with crackers. Better yet, I'll have animal crackers in my soup. Animal crackers in my soup, monkeys and rabbits loop the loop. Gosh, oh gee, but I have fun swallowing animals one by one. In every bowl of soup I see lions and tigers watching me. I make 'em jump right through a hoop, those animal crackers in my soup. When I get a hold of the big bad wolf, I just push him under to drown. Then I break him in a million bits, and I gobble him right down. When they're inside me where it's dark, I walk around like Noah's Ark. I stuff my tummy like a goop with the animal crackers in my soup. Animal crackers in my soup. Monkeys and rabbits loop the loop. Gosh, oh gee, but I have fun swallowing animals one by one. In every bowl of soup I see lions and tigers watching me. I make 'em jump right through a hoop, those animal crackers in my soup.
Three little monkeys sitting in a tree, sitting and sitting all day. See no evil,
Hear no evil, say no evil, is all they say. The first little monkey puts his little hands over his eyes so tight. If I don't see anything that's wrong, I'll see everything that's right.
The second little monkey holds his little hands over his ears so tight. If I don't hear anything wrong, I'll hear everything that's right.
The third little monkey holds his little hands over his mouth so tight. If I don't say anything wrong, I'll say everything right.
3 little monkeys sitting in a tree, sitting and sitting all day.
See no evil,
Hear no evil,
Say no evil.
is all they say.
Excuse me, you primates got the right song. It's true, we're among the most intelligent species on the planet.
but we've never been known for our philosophy.
Well, yes, we think it's the right song. It's the one Mrs. Middleton gave us to sing. Maybe she was just, monkeying around.
We may not be philosophers, but we're almost as clever as our cousins, the great apes. What's the real smart one's name?
It's the Homo sapiens. Sure, they're smart, but they do litter a lot.
What? We're most famous for swinging around, having fun, pulling shenanigans, and monkey business in general.
Hey, we're the monkeys.
Here we come, walking down the street. We get the funniest looks from everyone we meet. Hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We go wherever we want to. Do what we like to do. We don't have time to get restless. There's always something new. Hey, we're the monkeys. People say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down.
We're just trying to be friendly. Come watch us sing and play. We're the young generation, and we've got something to say. Anytime or any place, just look over your shoulder, 'cause you're standing there.
Hey, we're the monkeys. You never know what we'll be found. So you better get ready. We may be coming to town. Hey, we're the monkeys.
If I were a bear, and a big bear too, I shouldn't much care if it froze or snow. I shouldn't much mind if it snowed or frizzed. I'd be all fur-lined in a coat like his.
For I would have fur boots and a brown fur wrap and brown fur knickers and a brown fur cap. I would wear a muffled ruff to cover my jaw and brown fur mittens for my big brown paws. With a big brown furry down up to my head, I'd sleep all the winter in my big fur bed.
This poem makes me hungry.
Everything makes a bear hungry.
That's because we're omnivorous. We'll eat anything.
Berries and fish, honey and ants, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches with sweet pickles.
It's picnic time!
If you go down in the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise. If you go down in the woods today, you'd better go in disguise. For every bear that ever was will gather there for certain, because today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic. Picnic time for teddy bears. The little teddy bears are having a lovely time today. Watch them, catch them unawares, and see them picnic on their holiday. See them gaily pad about. They love to play and shout. They never have any care. At 6 o'clock, their mommies and daddies will take them home to bed, because they're tired little teddy bears. Every teddy bear who's been good is sure of a treat today. There's lots of marvelous things to eat and wonderful games to play. Beneath the trees where nobody sees, they'll hide and seek as long as they please, 'cause that's the way the teddy bears have their picnic. Picnic time for teddy bears. The little teddy bears are having a lovely time today. Watch them, catch them unawares, and see them picnic on their holiday. See them gaily get about. They love to play and shout. They never have any care. At 6 o'clock, their mommies and daddies will take them home to bed, because they're tired little teddy bears. Because they're tired little teddy bears.
The zebra is undoubtedly a source of some confusion. His alternating stripes present an optical illusion.
Observing them is difficult. One quickly loses track of whether they are black on white, or rather white on black.
The obvious response, of course, is, what difference does it make?
The world is full of black and white.
Sure, piano keys, chess pieces, soccer balls, tuxedos.
Penguins!
Penguins? What's black and white and red all over?
The answer to that joke is as simple as black and white. Come on, let's dance. black, the page is white. Together they learn to read and write. A child is black, a child is white. The whole world looks upon the sight. So now a child can understand that this is the law of all the land. The world is black, the world is white. It turns by day and then by night. A child is black, a child is white. Will they learn to see the light, to see the light? The world is black, the world is white. The turns by day and then by night. A child is black, a child is white. Then they learn to see the light, to see the light. The slate is black, the chalk is white. The words stand out so clear and bright. So now at last we plainly see the alphabet of liberty. The world is black, the world is white. It turns by day and then by night. The child is black, the child is white. Then they learn to see the light, to see the light, see the light. Ink is black, the page is white. Together we learn to read and write. A child is black, a child is white. Together they looks upon the sight. A child is black, a child is white. Together they grow to see the light.
Once there was an elephant who tried to use the telephone. No. I mean an elephone who tried to use the telephone. Dear me, I'm not certain quite that even now I've got it right.
Howe'er it was, he got his trunk entangled in the telefunk. The more he tried to get it free, the louder buzzed the telefee. I fear I'd better drop the song about Elaflop and Telephone.
That's ridiculous. An elephant using a telephone?
Please don't get started.
You would think hardworking species like us pachyderms would deserve more respect.
In parts of Africa and Asia, we act like living bulldozers to clear forests. We are used as pack animals, and we are dynamite form of transportation.
Don't forget to mention we are also known for our humongous sense of grace. Have you ever seen us in a circus?
Enough of this small talk. Come on, elephants, pick up your trunks and walk.
Elephants go by. The
Beware of the crafty crocodile who beckons you with clever smile to join him in the river Nile and swim with him a little while.
His smile is not a friendly smile. It springs from his dishonest scowl in treacherous reptilian style. Beware of the crafty crocodile.
Alas, how completely misunderstood we are.
Even though we are cold-blooded animals, we are extremely warm-hearted.
All those tales told about us snapping up innocent animals are
Cruel, rude, and vulgar.
It's just when someone smiles at us we find it so sweet, charming, delicious.
Now here's a helpful hint to all of us, to all of you.
Never smile at a crocodile.
Never smile at the crocodile. No, you can't get friendly with the crocodile. Don't be taken in by his welcome grin. He's imagining how well you'd fit within his skin. Never smile at the crocodile. No, you can't. You'll have to stop to talk a while. Never run, walk away. Say good night, not good day. Clear the island, never smile at Mr. Crocodile. You may very well be well bred. Lots of etiquette in your head. But there's always some special case, time or place to forget etiquette.
For instance,
never smile at the crocodile. No, you can't get friendly with the crocodile. Don't be taken in by his welcome grin. He's imagining how well you fit within his skin. Never smile at the crocodile. Never tip your hat to stop to talk a while. Don't be rude, never mock. Throw a kiss, not a rock. Clear the island, never smile at Mr. Crocodile.
Tiger, tiger, burning bright in the forest of the night, what immortal hand or eye could frame thy fearful symmetry?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. We're not talking tigers here. We're talking panthers.
Yeah, and not poetic panthers either. We're talking pink panthers.
oh really? And where in the world would a body go to actually see a pink panther?
Go, not to a jungle, not by clear streams. A pinkness of panthers comes only in dreams.
The speedy cheetah loves to run. He's fearless in a race. For hardly has the race begun, he's finished in first place. A blur of fur he dashes past, he flashes through the air. The speedy cheetah runs so fast before he's here, he's there.
We are one fast animal. By the time you say fast, we are past.
We like the fast lane on the fast track.
We eat fast foods on our fast breaks with our fast friends. It is positively Allegro.
But we weren't born to be fast, we were born to be wild.
A lion has a gold mane, and under that, a clever brain. He lies around and idly roars, and lets the lioness do the chores.
Leo, I'm home. Do you have the den picked up?
Yes, your lioness.
And are the cubs bathed and in bed?
Yes, your lioness.
Well, very good. I'm going to rest a while before dinner, so call me when it's ready. I'll tell you, Leo, it's a jungle out there.
So I'm told, your lioness.
If I were king of the forest,
Not queen, not duke, not prince.
my regal robes of the forest
Would be satin, not cotton, not chintz. I'd command each thing, be it fish or fowl, with a woof and a woof
and a royal growl.
woof. As I click my heels, so the trees would kneel, the mountains bow, and the bulls cow chow. and the sparrow would take whee! If I were king. Each rabbit would show respect to me. The chipmunks genuflect to me. My tail would lash, I would show compassion for every underling. If I were king, just king.
Yoo-hoo, I'm home.
How was dinner?
How's your mom? Is she still disenchanted with us?
Oh, Mom isn't disenchanted. She just gets a little mommish at times. Sometimes it seems like she can't see the jungle for the trees. We all understand that.
Want to play games?
Let's play King of the Jungle.
No, thank you. I would like to rest a little, if you please.
Great.
Animalia. Oh, there she is, asleep with her animals. Animalia's right. I do get a little mommish at times. Now that I think of it, Animalia's blessed in her love of animals. There's a lot they can teach her, and a lot children can teach us. So I say, bless them. Bless them both, the beast and the children. Bless the beast and the children, for in this world they have no voice. They have no choice. Bless the beast and the children, for in the world can never be the world they see. Light their ways when the darkness surrounds them. Give them love, let it shine.
Will you join me in saying goodbye to the animals? We have our cards right here. Monkeys. Here we go. Stay spunky, silly monkey. There you go. And bears. Take care, fuzzy bear. Zebras. Hasta la vista, Mr. Zebra. An elephant. Step to the front, elephants. Good job. Crocodiles. After a while, crocodiles. Kiss and purr, Pink Panther. Cheetahs. See ya later, yellow cheetah. Okay, lions. Keep on trying, Mr. Lion. Animalia and Mother. Hugs to each other, Animalia and Mother.
Thank you. I just want to kind of coach you on what we can expect at this point. First, I want to take a minute before the curtain is pulled shut, and that is to recognize two of the most incredible people in this world, and that would be Erin Middleton, my music teacher from the South, and Michelle Sween, music teacher from the North. Wonderful, wonderful people. At this time, we're going to pull the curtain because we need to have a little bit of a time to get our children undressed from their special costumes and